Hi, my name is Frank Corlett, and this is the submission for the Module 4 SLP assignment, Implementation of Enterprise Resource Planning and Innovation for DOC600, Introduction to Doctoral Studies and Research Market with Dr. Bruce Giles. So today we are going to go over the following slides: Introduction to ERP, the rationale, research questions, literature review, methodology, significance, and reference list. So introduction to an ERP, what is it? ERP is an enterprise resource planning software. It replaces a lot of standalone systems that are used by individual departments across, in this case, a city. So this one specifically, it offers finance, budgeting, purchase, and data management, payroll, human resources, accounts receivable, and it integrates with a lot of the single offset systems that we use throughout. So basically we use 14 different programs that don't talk to each other. What an ERP does is it combines all of those together and allows for one integrated system. Why do we need it? So the rationale behind it, it's not as simple as the question itself. There's many facets of our industry that are slow. I'm not sure if anybody uses city government, but it's kind of like construction workers, right? Like you see them on the side of the road and you're like, oh, hey, must be a city job. Well, it's like that for administrative purposes also. So we're archaic in practice, we're slow, we're not efficient. But the best way to combat those things is having a system that's going to be up to date. It's going to allow us to be more organizationally efficient, and it's going to allow us to grow at the same time. So for the research question 1, why is ERP innovation so important? Well, it combines multiple tasks together. It simplifies function under one purview. It captures multiple programs and tasks under one system. It centralizes business management, and it shows a great reduction of manual labor. So right now, we're processing a lot of paperwork. We're walking a lot of things where we can just click a button and it becomes approved through workflow. Research question number 2, what's the main difference between standalone systems and ERP? So as I said, standalone systems are silos. They are independent of one another. And an ERP system, it combines all those things. It gives you real-time data, digital communication, it increases productivity, and productivity equals efficiency. So not only do we want things to be accurate, we want them to be fast. Literature review, data gathering. So what topics will we be covering under this in literature review? We're going to go over change management, behavioral management, business ethics, ERP business cases, stakeholder theories, critical factors of ERP implementation, investment impact of technology, so that's the ERP infrastructure, it's funding, and project management, because obviously with a project to this scale that you're going to cover across multiple lines, multiple departments, funding is huge, which is the infrastructure, and to make sure that everything is on time, in budget, you need proper management. So methodology, qualitative and quantitative data research. We're going to do qualitative research, participation, observation. Well, that's me. Hey, I'm there. I'm going to be within the organization. I know how people feel about things. I am one of the employees, so it's perfect for me. Direct observation. There's a lot of employees around the city that I can speak to, and interviews likewise. Quantitative data, we're going to do some surveys, some documents of archive records, and financial reporting. All that stuff is readily available, and I can use it at any time. So the significance, internal benefits. We're going to do changes to internal policies and processes, updates in customer service, increased departmental collaboration, increased training, tasking during implementation. We're going to identify and mitigate project risks and constraints throughout the project. We're going to increase employee engagement, increased performance, citywide involvement. There's a lot of pros and benefits to this program. Residential and business benefit. Well, right now we're only open 8 to 4:30. What this ERP is going to do is give customers 24/7 access to our accounts. It's online. Each person will have their own login. They'll be able to use the system at will. Our vendors will be able to do the same when they're looking to, sign on with us to do business. They'll get electronic notifications if you want, and then instant access to public records and documents. And that is my reference page, and thank you for your time.